Next tonight, a Leicestershire mill's being restored to its former glory. The last time Kibworth Mill turned its sails was back in 1930. But today, those sails have been repaired, as Gillian Brown reports.
The final push to get Kibworth Mill in Leicestershire back to its original state.
All the timber work's repaired now. The trestle below the mill's repaired. As you can see today, we've just finished hanging the sails. So we've got a bit more work to do on that. Some more finishing off on the outside, so we've got some trimming to do on the boards. And then in a couple of weeks' time, the idea is to try and rotate the mill.
The age and structure of the mill means it's needed special planning to make sure it's restored authentically.
We're dealing with a very old structure. This isn't just a building, it's a machine. So it moves a lot when it's in operation. And we have to be really mindful of that when we're undertaking the repairs to make sure that they're sturdy enough to do the job, but also not too invasive that you lose all the sort of the history and the character of the actual building that makes it so special.
Probably the biggest challenge has been lifting the mill. So we had to install a big steel frame, jack it up, make sure it was stable so as we could repair all the timber work below.
The mill is the last surviving post mill in the county and dates back to the 1700s. Naomi says it's fantastic to be part of restoring such an historic structure.
Seeing her sort of come to life again, you know, all the scaffold had been dropped from my previous site visit, and finally seeing the new weatherboarding painted, she's looking really smart, and it was a very exciting moment to see that.
With the finishing touches almost complete, it's hoped the mill will attract people to visit the area and educate those who come to see it. It's an historic moment for the mill. It was last operational way back in 1930. The hope now that it's repaired is that it'll be working for many more years to come.
It'll turn, the sails will go around, people will be able to see what the old mill, which has been here for 400 years, really can do and can still do. I'm just delighted to see that it's happened.